Hello and welcome to my YouTube video regarding Fray Bentos chicken pie cooking in an air fryer. So I've opened the lid and you can see sort of like liquid on the top, which is sort of like floating. I'm not very hopeful in this, but hopefully the air fryer shall make it evaporate. So I'm just going to put this dish, this Fray Bentos tin, in the air fryer, and it actually fits okay, so that's a bonus. It's a start. And I've just went and put this in the air fryer, and I put it in for about 20 odd minutes, 23 minutes at around 180. I knew the pastry dries quite quickly, and I didn't touch it before, so I've taken it out of the air fryer. Watch your hands, it will be very hot. It's metal, as in like the tin is very hot. I've managed to scoop it out and take it out and put it into a plate, and this is what it looks like. And if you remember the tin lid, there's not the same sort of food that's came out. So here goes. It looks like a bit like messy. It tasted okay. Wasn't brilliant. The pastry is very crisp, and here you have this sort of layer which reminds me a bit of wallpaper, which has been lying in wallpaper paste for a couple of days. It was gooey, and it reminds me of when I was a kid growing up and having these Fray Bentos pies. There was this sort of layer of pastry which just never seemed to cook. It's very, very sloppy, wet. Overall, I wouldn't buy a Fray Bentos pie again. I had them as a kid, and as you can see, the Fray Bentos that I've just made does not look like what's on the tin. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye for now.